It has been a while since we saw the beautiful Angelina here at our YouTube channel, but she is back, and for today she is creating this clown face paint for us. And if you want to know how, please keep watching. So the base of this makeup is pretty easy. Angelina is dabbing a few different colors on the skin with a face painting brush, and once those colors are on there, she is going over them once again with a face painting sponge. So this blends those colors together and gives a nice and soft base for our clown makeup. So there is a lilac color, there is pink, there is also a teal color, and I will put a link to all of the products she is using in the description box down below. But as you can see, the base is a very nice soft blend of colors. So once those cheekbones are highlighted and also the nose, we continue to silver, and that is really blended on the skin to create a thin layer of that silver. You don't want that to be too opaque, otherwise the entire effect of this makeup is ruined. But once all of the silver is on there, we add a few more of those teal colored spots. So still blending them with the fingers with a sponge to just create that lovely base. A bit of the teal on the nose and on the jawbone, and once they are on there, we continue to the eyes. So the eyes are really those classic black clown eyes with the stripe over the eyebrow to the forehead, but also the stripe under the eye. Angelina is putting this on the skin with just a regular black face paint, and once the base is on there, she is blending that black onto the skin with a dry brush. And as you can see, that gives a very dramatic effect to this clown look, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So both eyes get the same design. It is a symmetrical design for the eyes at least, so really make sure that you put everything, well, kind of the same on both sides. Once that black is on there, we go back to the colors we also put on the forehead to make those eyes a bit more colorful. There is the teal, there was a bit of pink, purple, and well, just check for yourself which color you should put where on your skin. Now the eyes are done, we continue to black face paint and a round brush, and Angelina is just putting dots all over the place, on the forehead, around the eyes, under the eyes, but on top of the eyes as well. And once the black dots are there, we also add some white dots. So give them a variety of sizes. Don't put all the same dots on there. It looks very beautiful if you put them from small to big and, well, vary a bit in their size. A few white dots under the eyes, that really looks very dramatic, and then we continue to the mouth. So just outline the mouth with the black face paint and really get that clown smile in there. Blending those colors once again to get that shadow with the black, and adding the pink and the teal color around the mouth and on the chin to get, well, a lovely finished clown face. A few white dots on the mouth, and then we continue to a badass mini stencil to add a few stars to those dots that she put on the skin. So you can just put them anywhere you feel. You can also only put stars there instead of dots and stars. It is all up to you. Use your creativity. Then we continue to the neck, and this one is pretty easy because it doesn't really have to be straight lines. As you can see, Angelina is really dabbing those colors on the skin, using the same colors as on the face, but it really doesn't have to be all nice and neat. And once all of those colors are on there and the neck area is nicely covered, we continue to the black once again. So from the jawbone to the part where you started your color, make it black and then add a few stripes on there to get a runny makeup effect, and it looks amazing. The same dots on the chest, they are a bit bigger than the dots put on the face because the area is a bit bigger. Also some white dots. And finally, we are adding a little bit of glitter to really finish off this clown effect. So this is one of the glitter creams by Pixie Paint, and with that, our clown makeup tutorial for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.